In this question, in a reaction between A and B, the initial rate of reaction R0 was measured for different initial concentration of A and B, and it is given in this table. We have to find the order of reaction with respect to A and B. So according to the question, we have two reactant A and B, both reacts with each other and forms a product P. So here in the first experiment, in the first initial concentration of A is 0.2 mole per liter and B is 0.3 mole per liter. That time the rate of the reaction is 5.07 into 10 to the power minus 7. So if we represent it here, we can say that we can write it as experiment 1. Here our concentration of A is 0.20 mole per liter and B is 0.30. And for this rate of reaction is 5.07 into 10 to the power minus 7. So if you use the rate of reaction formula based on the concentration, we can say that rate is equal to K into concentration A to the power X, concentration B to the power Y. And in the first experiment, rate is given as 5.07 into 10 to the power minus 5. So if we substitute the value, it's equal to 5.07 into 10 to the power minus 5 is equal to K. Concentration of A is 0.20 to the power X, B is 0.30 to the power Y. Here, this X and Y, this is the value that we have to find. So X is with respect to A and Y is with respect to B. So here we can write this as the equation 1. Similarly, if we use the second experiment, means this value, and based on that, if we try to write the equation, it is equal to A is equal to 0.2 and B is 0.1 and R0 is 5.07 into 10 to the power minus 5. So we can create the new relation 5.07 into 10 to the power minus 5 is equal to K. Concentration of A is 0.2. So here we can write 0.2 to the power X and B is 0.1 to the power Y. This is our second relation. Similarly, we can create the third relation with the help of this value. So here A is 0.4 and B is 0.05 and the rate value is 1.43 into 10 to the power minus 4. So based on that, we can write it as 1.43 into 10 to the power minus 4 is equal to K 0.40 to the power X and 0.05 to the power Y. Now we have all the three equations noted down. So based on these three equations, we need to find the value of X and Y. So for this, we can divide relation 1 and relation 2. Why we need to divide it? Because you see it here, the concentration of A is same for both of it. So we can cancel this term and then we can find the value of Y. So let's continue it. We can write it 5.07 into 10 to the power minus 5 is equal to K 0.20 to the power X and 0.30 to the power Y divided by 5.07 into 10 to the power minus 5 equal to K 0.20 to the power X 0.10 to the power Y. So here K gets cancelled, these values gets cancelled, and here these also gets cancelled. So further we can write the relation 1 by 1 is equal to 0.30 to the power Y divided by 0.10 to the power Y. It can be written as 1 is equal to 3 to the power Y. So here 1 can be also written as 3 to the power 0 is equal to 3 to the power Y. So based on this, we can say that Y is equal to 0. So we got the order of the reaction with respect to B. Now we have to find the value of X. So here, now our next work is to find the value of X. So what we can do, we can divide either 2 to 3 or 1 to 3, any one we can pick. So let's look into that 1 and 3 division of 1 and 3. So based on that, 5.07 into 10 to the power minus 5 divided by 1.43 into 10 to the power minus 4 is equal to k into 0.2 x 0.3 y divided by k into 0.4 x and 0.05 y. Now here kk gets cancelled. Further, we can write it. This power we can also cancel. So here we get 1. So now it will be equal to 5.07 divided by 14.3 equal to 0.2 to the power x divided by 0.4 to the power x into y value is 0. So anything which power is 0, it is always equal to 1. So here it is 1 by 1. 0.354 is equal to 1 by 2 x. If we have to find the x here, we need to apply the log on both sides. So this is log 0.354 is equal to log 1 by 2 to the power x. So log 0.354 is equal to minus 0.45, and this is equal to x into minus 0.30. How it is formed, I am writing it. Log a to the power x is equal to x log a. So similarly, log 1 by 2 to the power x is equal to x log 0.5, and its value is here given. This is our x. So based on this, x can be equal to 0.45 divided by 0.30. It's equal to 1.5. So now the answer of this question is y is equal to 0 and the x is equal to 1.5.